In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to increase the font size in Microsoft Teams through accessibility settings. This can be a game changer if you're finding it difficult to read text in Teams, or just want to make things a bit clearer when you're communicating with colleagues and friends. First, let's explore a quick method to zoom in and out while using Teams on your desktop, whether you're on a Windows PC or a Mac. Simply open Microsoft Teams. If you're on Windows, you can press Ctrl and the equal sign simultaneously to zoom in, increasing the text size across the app. On a Mac, the shortcut is Command and the equal sign. To zoom out, which decreases the text size, press Ctrl and the minus sign on Windows or Command and the minus sign on a Mac. And if you need to return everything to the default size, press Ctrl plus 0 on Windows or Command plus 0 on Mac to reset the zoom settings. Now let's dig a little deeper and talk about using accessibility settings within the Teams desktop app for a more permanent solution. To start, once again navigate to and open Microsoft Teams. Look towards the top right corner of your screen. Here you'll find your profile picture. Click on your profile picture and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the General tab. This is where you'll find a variety of options to customize your team's experience. Under the General section, there's a part specifically dedicated to accessibility. In this section, you're going to see some font size options. This is our focus today. You can choose between 3 font sizes: default, large, and larger. Depending on your preference and how much larger you need the text to be, select the one that suits you best. Once you make your selection, you'll notice that text size adjusts itself across different areas of the app, such as chats, channels, and menus. This ensures a consistent reading experience throughout Teams, not just in one isolated area, but everywhere you'll need it. Using these options, you have the power to tailor Microsoft Teams to fit your specific needs, enhancing readability and making the application much more user-friendly for you. This can significantly improve your productivity and comfort when using Teams regularly. Whether you opt for the quick zoom-in method or utilize the accessibility settings for a more extended change, both methods are simple yet effective ways to make sure you're not straining your eyes unnecessarily. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video has helped you enhance your Microsoft Teams